left of us. Let's move out to the country where living's like it should be. We can grow our own and build a home on love. I'm gonna write my boss a John Deere letter overalls. Suit me better, this white collar is trying to strangle me. Honey, we'll be happy ever after, you and me, and that old tractor on our little farm in Tennessee. I'm gonna take this fine computer, and one last time I'll put her down 30 floors of elevator shaft. Then this fancy little cell phone's gonna take a trip out of the window, and everyone can try to find my. Ask me if I care. I'm gonna write my boss a John Deere letter overalls. Suit me better, this white collar is trying to strangle me. Honey, we'll be happy ever after, you and me, and that old tractor on our little farm in Tennessee. We can't make us do what we don't want to do. The only one we got an answer to is up there in the sky. I'm gonna write my boss a John Deere letter overalls. Suit me better, this white collar is trying to strangle me. Honey, we'll be happy ever after, you and me, and that old tractor on our little farm in Tennessee.